I'm Marcia Langton, and I'm the Professor of Australian Indigenous Studies at the University of Melbourne. I grew up Aboriginal in Queensland. I don't think I went into a white person's home until I was a teenager. So it was quite a shock to me, especially when I went to university, to discover that things were not as I had assumed. So I began to investigate all of this, and I became very interested in demonstrating that there are Aboriginal societies, laws, cultures, philosophies, epistemologies, and that began in my 20s and has continued ever since. I started investigating Indigenous relationships with the environment and how Indigenous people attempt to preserve their environments and the biological diversity. I established a research centre at the Old Northern Territory University. When I came to the University of Melbourne, the Native Title Act had become part of Australian law, so I began investigating native title agreements while I was in the anthropology and geography school. I later moved over to the medical faculty. The problem of Aboriginal attempts to manage alcohol in their communities and also deal with alcohol-related impacts such as family violence, and also how Indigenous data can be ethically governed by Indigenous people have become my overriding research concerns. I'm very honoured to receive the Rechnitz Memorial Award from the Academy. It's a wonderful feeling to have my work acknowledged, both as an academic and as an engaged anthropologist who's attempted to bring about reform that beneficially impacts Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people.